Recently, Google domains got bought by Squarespace. So due to this, the process to buy the domain infrastructure has become a little bit complex. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy domains and how you can set up those domains to send cold emails for your own marketing agency or your own B2B business. Okay. My name is Siddhesh. I'm the founder of clientsb2b.com. We are a cold outreach lead gen agency. We book you qualified sales appointments on a performance basis. You can reach out to my website. So let's get started with this. So we are going to use GoDaddy to buy the domains, and then we are going to buy email accounts from Google Workspace, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process, right? So let's get started. So first, whenever you come, so as you can see, we are on GoDaddy. So the thing is, so the first you have to buy domains. So the procedure for domain buying is that you buy domains which are very identical to your own main domain. So my main domain is clientsb2b.com. So I'm going to buy domains which are similar. So the way I go forward would be clientsb2b, let's say leadgen.com, or it could be Lands B2B. Since my service is B2B lead generation, appointment setting, cold email, LinkedIn out, and stuff like that. So I'm going to buy domains which have words like this in them. If you're a web design agency, you can buy web design, marketing, sales, and stuff like that, right? So the idea is to buy secondary domains which are very similar to your main domains. And what we're going to do is we're going to we are going to forward all those domains to your main website, right? So classb2b.leadgen. So I'm going to quickly buy this domain. Let's do classb2bsales.com. All right. So I've added to my cart. What you can do is you go to your cart and just make sure you uncheck all the add-ons. So we're gonna make this 1 year. So let me just buy this domain. So we just bought the two domains which I mentioned. So this is, as you can see, clientsb2blegion.com and clientsb2b sales. So now what we're gonna do is uh, we're gonna go to Google Workspace, and then we're gonna add these domains, and then we are gonna set up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records, and then we are gonna set up the email accounts, and then we are gonna put it to warm. So I've just logged into my admin account. So this is my different admin account. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come to manage domains. Then I'm going to come and I'm gonna click add domain. So I'm just going to type my new domain which I just bought, so clientbtwleadgen.com. So make sure your GoDaddy is already logged in on the another tab so that it's much easier for uh, to sign in. So after that, you're gonna come down and select secondary domain, not an alias. So it is going to be a secondary domain, and you're gonna click add domain and start verification. So for verification, there's a page that is going to be signing to verify. So this page is now going to open GoDaddy, and then we're going to start with the verification. So we just added our domain. As you can see, there's a sign called as activate Gmail. So I'm going to just add my second domain as well, and then we are going to move forward. So we just added our two domains. So this is, as you can see, clientb2legion.com, clientsb2sales. So now I'm going to click on activate Gmail, and then there's going to method be a setup MX record. So we're going to click next on this. So it's just going to work in the background to add the SPF records. That is what it is going to do. So while we wait, we are just again going to do this the same for our other domain. So our both Gmail have been activated. So we're gonna go to Google domain. We're gonna open the emails. We're gonna come to the domain section, and then we're gonna go to the DNS section of the domain. So what we're trying to do is we are going to so the SPF record has directly been added when you click on the active Gmail link. So as you can see, there are two SPF records. So there is one SPF google.com, and there is SPF clients B2B. So what we are going to do is we are going to remove this record. So first we're going to click on edit. First, we are going to remove this entire thing. It's going to be SPF first. We're going to save it first, and then we are going to delete this record. Okay, there's some error that comes in if you do the other thing. So our SPF record has been added to the GoDaddy DNS section. Now we are going to add the DKIM records for our domain. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to admin. You're going to click on, you're going to click on apps. You're going to click on apps, and then you're going to click on Gmail. Then you're going to click on authenticate email. So what we're going to do, we're going to select the domain which we want to add DKIM for. So we're going to click on, we're going to select that domain. As you can see, there is status not authenticating email. So we're going to click on generate record. We're going to click generate. And then we are going to copy this Google, we are going to copy this entire text value. We're going to click on text, and then you can copy it from google.domain.key, and then you're going to paste the value. So we're going to wait a good 15 minutes. So sometime it takes 15 minutes, so sometime it takes 48 hours. Wait till 48 hours, and then you're going to click start authentication, and it's going to verify, right? So let's add. So now your DKIM records is done. Now, so after that, you're going to come to this website, easydmarc.com to stack DMARC record generator. And then you're going to add the domain which you want to create the DMARC record for. So landbtleadgen.com. And then you're going to click none. So reports to, so what we'll do is this send a report to an email. So the email which you're going to create for this domain, you're going to add that in advance. So Siddhesh at the red clients B2B leadgen.com. All right. In some domain policy, you're going to select none. In SPF relaxed, in DKIM relaxed. Then you're going to click generate, and then you're going to copy this. You're going to come to the DNS again. You're going to add a new record text. You're going to add a text record. You're going to add underscore DMARC, and then you're going to copy paste the entire text. So now SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records have been added. Now we're going to buy the email account for the domain which we have already worked with. So again, come to home. So again, we are going to come to domains, and then we are going to add users. So usually we buy 2 email accounts per domain. We usually avoid buying more domains as it can cause deliverability issues. So we're going to buy 1 domain on this. So let's buy a user for this. So we're going to add our first name, last name, and then we are going to add what do you want the email account to be. So do you want it to be your name, your account executive's name, your sales team's name? So add the first name of the person. So it's going to be Siddhesh at the rate. You're going to select the domain which you want the account of. So it's going to be Siddhesh at the rate clientsb2b.com. Add a secondary email, and then you're going to add a phone number here. And then you're going to click down. You're going to add a profile photo, and then you're going to create a pass. You can generate an automatic. You can either click on automatically generate a strong password, which you have to change later, or else you can directly create a password here. Once that is done, you're going to click on add user. So let me just fill in these details and I'll move forward. Okay, so we just added our new email account. So it's clients B2B lead gen. So we're gonna so what you have to do is first sign in, and then you got to change the password if you want to change the password. So then that is the one thing to do. And in the meanwhile, we'll also, so when you come to the domain, you're gonna click on forwarding, and then you're gonna click on add forwarding. Then you're gonna HTTPS, you're gonna add your main domain here, or your main company domain on in here, clientsb2b.com. You're gonna click on permanent, and you're gonna click save. Now your domain, if you search, so once that is added, you're gonna copy paste and you're gonna search if it is redirecting to your main domain or not. So it is directly getting redirected to my main domain. So that's perfectly done. All right. So what we have covered is we have bought domains. So we have bought domains. We have added SPF, DKIM, DMARC records. We have added an email accounts. We have forwarded the emails. You just need to sign in the emails. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can add those emails to warm up. Thanks for sharing. Please give us a like and subscribe and for more such videos. Thank you.